Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and this is Suma Babu. Nature is the real inspiration. You get to see different colors, patterns and more importantly you see life in God's creation. You sense it, feel it, rather you absorb that life in you when you observe them. Each and every minute details in a leaf itself is enough to wake up the artist in you. Life is beautiful. Today I came up with an painting demo of a painting. This is our 7th portrait study. It was a nice experience. Many a times I did portraits of some models in my own way. The features may be different. The painting itself will look like a different person. In my opinion, that is the way of experimentation. The journey will be beautiful. You have no idea what the painting is going to look like in the end. In a way, I am creating a new character. I have created beautiful models through my painting. It is a good way of painting, I feel. We are not copying anything here. In my opinion, you can also do this type of paintings for practice. Our today's demo also is a painting of such kind. I was just interested in the skin tone and the color scheme of this painting. I hope I tried to achieve that. Especially with oils, it is very important to layer up the painting. When I start any painting, I squint my eyes and capture all the dark tones without any details. I saw them as a shape. I develop mid and lighter tones after that. This stage of painting is, I would prefer to call it as a dirty stage. Nothing in this stage will be soothing your eyes. I feel like I should cross this stage as soon as possible. So I paint faster. I don't take a break during this particular stage. Then gradually we will build on it with many layers of paint. We are actually sculpting or painting out of nowhere in a canvas. I prefer to give darkest dark and the lightest light in the end. I normally don't finish the painting in meticulous details, but there are exceptions too. I keep face of the model as the most finished element in the painting. So that's all for today. Hope you like the painting. I just let my brain rest when I paint. Nothing comes to my mind. I am in a meditative stage. Hope this gave you some fuel for your art journey. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Click the like button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye and happy painting.